I chose machining as my career path, not really by default. I kind of started in a factory, and it kind of snowballed from there, and I liked what it had in my future. I liked working with my hands, and I fixed stuff at home a lot, so it kind of appealed to me. And then I started here, and that's when I learned about Stark State and the CNC program, and how I can also take that into an associate's degree in advanced manufacturing. And I just think down the road it's going to really improve my career and the options that I have from taking these classes at Stark State. My teachers are great compared to where I came from. I've had teachers teaching me things that they didn't know anything about, and they would flat out tell you that. And my experience with Stark State has been anything but that, the exact opposite. And there's a lot of people that are willing to work with you and make what you want to do happen. They enjoy being there, and they joke around with you, and they have a good time as well. The small classes are definitely a benefit. There's more one-on-one, and when you ask, you get answers. I can't learn reading from a book. I'm more of a hands-on type of guy. So definitely, with the Haas controllers that Stark State has, and as you can see behind me, that's what I'm working with. So I get to learn on what I'm using at work, and it benefits me directly here by taking these classes. I mean, this is a career for me. It puts food in my mouth and a roof over my head. Just that it's going great so far, and I hope it continues to keep going uphill.